Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve data integration with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To improve data integration with Shopify, begin by identifying your specific data needs. Assess the types of data you want to integrate, such as product information, customer details, or sales analytics. Research available integration tools that meet your requirements. Popular options include Zapier, Integromat, and Shopify's own API. Once you've selected a tool, sign up for an account and familiarize yourself with its interface. Next, connect your Shopify store to the integration tool. You will usually do this by entering your Shopify store URL and API credentials. After the connection is established, set up the data flow. Define what data will be synced and the direction of the sync, whether one-way or two-way. Test the connection to ensure that data flows smoothly between systems. Next, create automated workflows to streamline data updates. For example, you might want inventory changes in Shopify to automatically update in your ERP system. Monitor the performance of your integration regularly. Look for any discrepancies or errors that might need attention. Consider utilizing webhooks for real-time data updates if your tool supports them. This can significantly reduce latency and improve data accuracy. Explore advanced features offered by your integration tool. For instance, setting up filters can ensure that only relevant data is synchronized. Keep your data security in mind throughout the integration process. Implement encryption and follow best practices for data handling. Finally, regularly review and optimize your integration setup. This helps ensure that it continues to meet your evolving business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.